Canning, and we are here, old married soldiers quarter. So yeah. Okay. So that's what we can see here. Okay. So let's gonna take a look further in. Init. Saan ba yung spice garden? Wala na yata tayo. I really love plants, so I want to show you the spice garden. This is, oh, but it's the side. The arrow is the side. Raffles House, Sangdila Utama Garden. 500 meters. Dito malayo pa. Hindi yung artisan garden. Mamaya balik tayo. Tignan muna natin yung makikita natin dito. So what is this? Reservoir. Ano din siya? This is the gold armlet and earrings dating to the 14th century, found on Fort Canning during excavation for the construction of the reservoir, courtesy of the National Museum of Singapore, National Heritage Board. Okay. Ganda rin nakukay na gold armlet. So, reservoir. Tingnan natin. Let's gonna take a look, see the plants. Nag-sweat talaga. Ang ganda ng mga plants. Yan, yung mga doon tayo galing sa baba nito. What is this? Kuyo manis. Cinnamon iners. Okay. Ito. Okay. The kayo manis is a short tree, 5 meter or less, and it is attractive due to its compact round crown of dense foliage and reddish pink young leaves. It produces succulent fruits which are sought after by birds. This species is common in the secondary forest of Singapore and can be found across Southeast Asia to India. The wood is used in making fragrant joss stick. Traditionally, a decoction of the boiled roots is given as a tonic after childbirth or of fevers. The leaves may also serve as a poultice for rheumatism. Oh, nakakaga, siya, marami siyang uses. So, that is Likayo manis. Yan, marit lang siya. So, this is Likayo manis. Okay. Ito yung earpad o kasi ito yung earpad ko daan natin. Yan yung puno niya. Ang ganda. Okay. Kita nyo? May tinik-tinik. Taas. Oh, tree. Heritage tree, kapok tree. Oh, yung kapas. Yung cotton. Iba pala yung isa kanina yung earpad tree. Ito yung yung kapas, yung ginagawa namin unan. Yung nanay ko na we make it as our pillow. We take the cotton and make it into pillow. So this is it. Yan yung cup. Maliit lang siya. So tingnan ko tayo. Napalayo na tayo. I don't know if I can finish. It's quite far. Malayo pa. Ano naman to? Alurites Mulukana, Candlenut Buwakeras. Okay, ginagawa ding yung spices sa pagkain. Yan. Maraming lamok. Malayo pa. Yan yung reservoir yata. Kinurong nila, hindi pwedeng pasukin. Siya. Yung reservoir. It's closed. The reservoir is closed. We can't go in. Ang ganda ng mga ito. Ang ganda ng hangin. There's another heritage tree. Diba naman to? Madras thorn. White sea celobium dulce. Diba naman yan? Kita dun sa baba. Babalik ako dito pag ipapasyal ko yung ate ko dito. I'm gonna bring my sister here soon. I bet you wanna see this place too. Yan, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng oras para libot-libutin ang Singapore. I'm always busy. So, I'm trying to find time to fish some videos so that I can give you a good content. So this is the same as we took a while ago. Fort Canning at a glance. Okay, and this is the map. Ay, banda yung Spice Garden. Balikan natin yun mamaya. Okay. May Peranakan Museum din. Okay. Medyo malawak din siya. So that is the map. Pag ganyan naman siya, so na nandyan yung Spice Garden. Okay, so I think we came to the right place. Okay. Ang ganda. So where is the Spice Garden? Ma-overlook natin mamaya sa baba. Doon yung reservoir. See? You can see the reservoir from here. Ang ganda. Parang hello. Hi my friends, we are here at Fort Canning. Okay. I just wanna show you a good video. So I came here. So yan yung ato. See down below? You can see there. Very beautiful doon. Yung sa baba. Mga shop houses. Yan. So ma-overlook natin. Nakikita natin yung mga bata na ano. Oh, may playground doon. Amazing. See, we came from there. And then, yeah. Okay. So pwedeng magdaan dyan. Sana kumuha na lang ako ng photos doon kanina para ano. Ang limang manok. Mga signage, mga ano para mga notice. It's the Maritime Garden. Nasaan ba yung Spice Garden? Ang layo ko. Wala na tayo. Ito ulit yung mapa. Yan yung araw ng papunta ng ano, Spice Garden. Okay. So I was gonna show you this. What are this? Yan. The lighthouse, Fort Canning Lighthouse. So this is the Fort Canning Lighthouse. Okay. Ito yung lighthouse. Oh. Maritime Corner. Pulau Pisang Lighthouse. Lighthouse. Bidok Lighthouse. So ito. Bidok Lighthouse is the only lighthouse in Singapore that is situated on the mainland. Commissioned on 9 August 1978, the lighthouse consists of 2 beacons and sits at the top of a 25-story apartment building with a height of 78 meters above sea level. The beacon light is fully automated, doing away with the need to have someone man the lighthouse at its location. So ito Sultan Shoal Lighthouse. Yan naman. Okay, Pulau Pisang Lighthouse. Yan. Ang init na. This is the Raffles Lighthouse. Horseworth Lighthouse. Okay. Ang Maritime Corner. Okay. So, let's Let's go and take a look at the spice garden. So ito yung lighthouse. Ang init. Nakakasilaw yung tignan natin yung spice garden. Oh, may pintuan din siya. Oh, pwedeng pumunta sa loob. But it's not open for public, of course. Yung Barbie, may ano din dyan. Yan, may mga tourist din. Nagsasites, ano din sila. So, may mga nagtutour din. Okay. Where is the spice garden? I'm looking for the spice garden. Malawak siya. Baka mamaya mawala na ako. Hindi ko na alam yung pupuntahan ko. City Hall Station. Jubilee Park. Yan. Yan. Nandito yung araw. Punta ng Spice Garden. Sayang wala akong kasama na hindi ako makapag-selfie. Makapag-picture. Puro video lang tayo. Yan. Ano to? Sangnila Utama Garden. So, ito yung Sangnila Utama Garden. Okay. Can you hear the chicken? Pasok tayo dito. Significance of elevated ground. Okay. Init. Pasok tayo dito. Nakangalobat na ako. So, ang bango ng mga pandan. You can smell the pandan's aroma. So, this is the Fort Canning. Ayan. Okay. Diwi. This sculpture is inspired by terracotta artifacts of women dating from the Madhyapahit period. Its clay layers will weather with time to reveal the piece in her original form. Okay. It's sculpted by Nick Chin. Okay. Sculpture. Ang ganda. Okay. Mga plants. Oh, sorry. Hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng tubig. Spice garden dyan. Saan naman? Ano ito? Lawang. Tignan, basahin natin. This sculpture is inspired by the Gopura, a distinctive architectural feature found at the entrance to Hindu temples. Motifs of Jasminium multiflorum, a flower used in temple ritual, form the sculpture's base. Okay. Sculptured by Khairul Muhammad Hussein. Ang ganda nito. Bakal siya. Ang ganda. Ayan. Okay. Ang ganda naman daw yata ang Spice Garden. Oh. Yan yung araw. Ay, hindi. First. Is it? Spice Garden sa ano? Oh, dito. Tama. Saka na lang, next time na lang doon. Spice Garden lang gusto ko makita. In the meantime, pasukin natin to. Sightseeing tayo dito. Saglit. Ayan. Okay. Ano to? Kananga Adorota Bar Fruticosa Dwarf Liang Tree Perfume is from Thailand. Okay. Ang ganda ng ano, ang lalaki. meditation garden. Okay, if you want to meditate, you can come in this garden. Okay, this is the meditation garden. Okay, you see, yan, may mga sculpture, isda at saka palaka. Yan, yung mga bus, maintenance. Yan, walang mga isda. So this is the meditation garden. Okay, walang mga isda. Walang isda dito sa meditation garden. This is the meditation garden. But I wanna see, may mga isda din, maliliit. Yan, may mga fishes, may mga fish. Yan, may mga fish. Let's take a look. Take a closer look. Yung mga fish. Good morning, fish. Good morning. The lovely fish. And daw yung pag-pronounce daw ng fish, hindi daw fishes, kundi fish. There's no such as fishes. Fish. Okay. So this is the meditation garden. So there are some tourists who doing sightseeing too. Okay, let's gonna take photo. Dear friends, I'm alone, that's why I cannot take a proper photo for myself, so like that only. So we are here at the meditation garden. Yan, water fixture dyan. So there are some small group of tourists touring around too at Fort Canning Park. Yan, picture din kayo, auntie. I'm looking for the spice garden. Yes, nakakaano pa. So there are few tourists looking around. What is this? The Guardian. This sculpture is inspired by a typical 14th century Majapahit aesthetic where the imagery of a bull is used to represent the strength of a protector over Singapore. It's sculpted by Lim Kim Hu. Okay, beginnings. So these are sculpture, texture of life. Okay. Music.